Hi all. Hope all's well in YouTube land and beyond. Paleolithic Digger here, aka the Dirt Farmer. We're gonna turn the camera around and check on the bees for a minute or two, or 3 or 4 or 5. I don't know. All right, here we go. Let's see how they're doing today. See if everybody's getting along and doing as they should. Alright, I'm going to leave y'all right here for a minute. Let's see. Let's play around a little bit here though. It's on. Ooh. There's the box I built the other day. It's not in use yet. I think I've got extra queens coming out of this hatch. And hopefully I can get one of the newer queens transferred over to that box and see if we can't keep them both right here. But anyways, let's zoom back in and let y'all look at the bees if you want. The bee's knees. The sun's pretty bright, so I can't see what the heck I'm doing here. That's on 2. There's a 4. Let's do a 4. What do y'all think? Enjoy. Let's see here. There we go. Let y'all watch them go in and out. Let's see. There you go. Let's see here. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this or not. I'm trying to. Oh, I done messed up now.